Welcome everyone. To change the clock style on your iPhone, you need to first swipe down from the middle and long press on this empty space. So after that, this animation will pop up, and from the bottom, you need to tap this customize option. Now, as you can see, you find this clock, tap this, and now you need to tap the clock. As you can see, this animation has pop up. Tap here. Now from the bottom, you can change the font. As you can see, you can change it to different, or you can change the uh, size of the font. You can change the color to your desired color, and after completing, just press the done button from the top. You can see this is the done button. Press the done button. So now my clock has been changed. As you can see, if I open it now, my clock has been changed. So yeah, that's how you change your clock on your iPhone.